Hello. Today we are going to see the proximate analysis. Proximate analysis is used to determine the fixed percentage of the carbon in the coal sample. For that, one should know the moisture, volatile matter, and the ash content to calculate the fixed carbon. How it is calculated? The moisture, volatile matter, ash content, and one can know the fixed carbon. Let's look towards the moisture, how it is calculated. Now take 1 gram of the coal sample in the crucible as seen in the figure. The crucible is kept in a electric hot air oven. The temperature here is kept 105 to 110 degrees Celsius for 1 hour. The crucible is removed with the help of the pair of tongs. Then it is cooled in a desiccator, here we can see, and then we are going to take its weigh. So we say that percentage of moisture is loss in weight upon weight of the coal taken into 100. Volatile matter. Take the crucible A, which is used for the moisture. The dried sample of the coal is left in it and it is covered with the lid. It is kept in electric furnace, that is the muffle furnace, and the temperature is 925 plus minus 20 degrees Celsius for 7 minutes. Then it is cooled in a desiccator and then it is weighed. So the percentage of volatile matter is loss in weight due to removal of the volatile matter upon weight of the coal sample taken into 100. So weight of the coal sample is 1 gram. Ash content. Keep the crucible B, that is which we have used for the volatile matter, in a furnace but without lid. We are not going to cover it at a temperature 700 plus minus 50 degrees Celsius and it is kept for 30 minutes. Then the crucible is cool in a desiccator, here we can see, and then we are going to take its weigh. Now this process of heating, cooling and weighing is repeated till we get a constant reading. So this process we are going to repeat of heating, cooling and weighing till we get the constant reading. So the percentage of the ash content is weight of the ash left upon weight of the coal sample taken into 100. Next is carbon. So the percentage of fixed carbon will be 100 minus percentage of what? Moisture plus the volatile matter plus the ash content. Thank you.